Welcome back to Crypto Wealthy Channel, guys. In today's episode we're going to discuss about recent Bitcoin price drop and where the Bitcoin price could end up. Also, we are going to discuss a little bit about altcoins, where are they going and how this could impact on the whole crypto market. And now let's get started. I wish you happy Monday and a happy start of the new week and the trading. Now let's see on the chart what is going on over here with the Bitcoin price. We are standing on the daily chart and we can see that the Bitcoin has been breaking this big trend line over here in the past week or so. This trend line has drawn also the Alessio Restani, one of the very smart traders out there, and YouTuber. You can check it out on the YouTube Alessio Restani, and you can see his very interesting videos and technical analysis about Bitcoin price. I want to check out this theory with you guys because I don't know how much this trend line would be important for the Bitcoin price, since we are above all moving averages and many other things are pointing out that we are actually in the bull market. Now he says in the last video that the Bitcoin price needs to break this in the next few days or so in order to Bitcoin continue to rally on the way to the upside, or the Bitcoin price would give us some sort of a signal for potential drop on the downside. Now how deep we will go, he didn't say about that. I will wait for another video to see where is this going. In the previous few days, Bitcoin has been trying to break this trend line, as we can see, and has been declined from it since then. Today we have been declined also for about $300 level of resistance over here, and for now we are consolidating above 20 EMA. As you can see, this 20 EMA has been holding this level pretty strong, which means that is very important. Now the beginning of this trend line is for about 3rd January all the way to the upside. It is totally normal for the Bitcoin to correct itself after such a surge. If we measure here the whole gains that the Bitcoin had since the first bottoming out on that place, we can see that we are up 64% almost, and in correction already for the 9%, right now 6, and if we measure the full correction over here, it's 12%, which is totally fine and normal. It's nothing abnormal happening here on the charts that we can say that we are getting back into the bear market. If we switch also the other EMAs, very good things we can see over here, and that is lining up for the bull market. We can see 20 exponential moving average together with the 50. Now 200 is getting back on the place if it cross with 100 over here. So yeah, for now we are getting there. Now also volume has been dropping in the previous 3 to 4 days over here, and if we switch on Messari over here, I don't want to see volume below $1 billion per 24 hours. It should be more, even maybe near 2, in order to push this price on healthy way on the way to the upside or downside. Now this volume does not impact the price too much, but it does give credits to the big whales to actually dump Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin, which means they could very easily sell out or buy all the whole order books and push the price on the way to the upside or downside. This is the reason, if we switch on the 1 hourly chart, why we have these Bart Simpson patterns, because the volume is getting lower and it's very easily to pump it and after that dump it, as we had over here also. So yeah, just make sure you observe those situations together with the volume over here, which could potentially give us some clue, is the price getting manipulated or not. Also, if we switch on the MACD indicator, we can see over here that the MACD is actually losing momentum in this correction over here, as we can see, because the histogram is showing us a little bit fade red color, which means that the price should actually cross over here those two moving averages and start moving on the way to the upside. Now we will see how this indicator will play out together with the price. Very interesting thing is happening with the altcoins, because they are not not falling so much as the Bitcoin corrects itself, as we had that in the previous months or so. Whenever the Bitcoin is bleeding too much, altcoins are bleeding even more. If we switch on the 7-day chart, we can see over here on the coin paprika that many altcoins are in green, and when I say in green, I mean 20 and more percent. If we switch on the red side, just some of them are in red, not many. Even those red coins are 3 to 5%. Just few of them are like in 10 to 15% in red. So this is very good to see that the altcoins are still holding very good, as the Bitcoin is trying to break $10,000 level of resistance. Also, if we switch on the weekly chart, we can see that the Bitcoin is not going anywhere near to this 20 weekly exponential moving average, which means that the Bitcoin is still high above it, and for now we are doing pretty well. So let's just be patient and not panic at the moment and see where the Bitcoin price could go in the next few days or so. I do think and believe that the Bitcoin in the next few days should actually go on the way to the upside in order to show us some sort of a bullishness that it started since here. Now, since there is nothing special on the market, we need to see where the Bitcoin price could go in the next days or so. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you like this sort of a content, and let us know in the comment section down below what would you actually watch on this channel so I could record those sort of videos. I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos, ladies and gentlemen. As and always, until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.